The jungle's toxic waterholes. The jungle's toxic waterholes in the jungle. Certain waterholes can be surprisingly toxic due to natural factors and specific organisms. One key factor is the presence of cyanobacteria or blue-green algae, which can proliferate in stagnant water. These microorganisms produce harmful toxins like microcystins, which can cause severe liver damage and other health issues if ingested. Additionally, the decay of organic matter in waterholes can release harmful substances into the water, making it unsafe for animals and humans. Some toxic waterholes are also influenced by plants or fungi that leach toxins into the water, further increasing the danger. These toxic waterholes highlight the jungle's complex and sometimes hazardous environment, where even seemingly benign features can pose significant risks.